you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the journal junk box and the journal junk sack for March. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so March 2023 journal junk box and journal junk sack just arrived. They did send me these for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. We will go through the journal junk sack right after we dive into the journal junk box. Let's go ahead and dive in. Am I backwards here? Yes, I am. It opens up this way, and that's how it looks when you open it. When you remove the sticker and the tissue paper, and more tissue paper, and there's a sneak peek to the presentation inside of the box. Okay, so with this one, they're now putting like this little card, and I think it's super cute. It says journal prompts for growth, and it has all these little prompts for growth. And then it also has, like, if you are signed up, you can share with your friends and family, referral program, that kind of thing is on the back side, and you can always use this as a bookmark. So that's a cute little thing that's in there now with the journal prompts, again, for growth, and you could always use it as a bookmark. So there's that. And then we got the journal junk sack card is in my box, so I'll sit that with the sack. And the March theme is travel more, worry less. How cute. So travel more, worry less for March. What's in the box? It'll show you what is inside with the pricing. And then in this one, you also get March's journal prompts. You get 4 of them, so you can do them weekly. Week 1, what is your favorite place to explore and why? Week 2, describe your favorite thing to do when you travel. Week 3, if you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be? Week 4, what has traveling taught you about yourself? So there is your weekly prompts for March. Let's go ahead and now see what's going to be inside. So again, with the travel theme, we have this really pretty pin with this like travel themed box. Let me remove the plastic. But again, definitely going with the theme of traveling. I don't travel much. I do need to go see my mom. That's like the only traveling I do, but actually like going and doing things, I don't travel. I'm a little homebody. But there is the pin, and it says Punch Studios on the back of it. Let's see what it writes. It's a clicky pen. It feels nice and hefty, and it writes in black ink. So for this one, it says Globes ballpoint pen with gift box by Punch Studios, valued for $10.99. So again, there is the pen, and you can leave it in this box, or you can even gift it to somebody else, and it is in a cute little, giftable box. So that is really cute. Again, $10.99. Now we have, it says car coaster, sip, sip, hooray. I will go ahead and set this in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. For one, let me double check before I open up my mouth. Yes. For one, I kind of think they should have given you 2, because I don't know what car out there only comes with 1 car coaster. Normally there's at least 2 in the front. I have 2 in the front, and I have 2 in both of my doors and my back seats. So I literally went and bought a set so they all match, all 6. And then I got one that says I love my chickens, and it has a chicken on it, and they're all black and white. So I actually went and bought 3 packs of 2, because they normally come in 2 packs, not single. But I bought 3 packs of 2 so I can have all new 6 in my car, and they have a chicken on it. It says I love my chickens. So I definitely don't need one for my car. And again, I just kind of wish they gave you 2, because I'm always like, I need things to match. So even if I had none and I went to use this, to me, I would still be, it wouldn't be good in my head, because then I would only have 1 and not in both. But that's just my own thing. This is Car Coaster Assorted Selection by SB Design Studio, valued for $5.99. So it would have been sent at random. Mine says Sip Sip Hooray. So I guess it might say or have different images on there, but it is a single, I'm gonna say that again, a single car coaster. There's that. Now we have is, ooh, a nice little set of stickers. It looks like it says 20 stationery. Oh, it's like paper, but it has like a little set here. And then it even has a whole little set here. It shows you on the back everything that is included. It says travel themed stationery pack by Maggie Holmes. Glue these fun shapes to your journal pages or projects. Valued for $12.99. Okay, so you can glue them, or if you have like those little adhesive, like double-sided sticky things you can stick in, whatever you would like to do to attach them to whatever you would like. But it is a travel theme. There's even like, there's a plane in the back. But yeah, it has all of this stuff in here. Again, that is what is all inside. And you can use these for anything. That's really cool. And again, it's valued for $12.99. And now we have is by Maggie Holmes as well. And it says round trips, going with the same theme. They both say round trip in the corner. This one is super cute. Look at all of, let me move this. So here is the first page. How cute. Definitely travel, but if it's not travel theme, you still have these really pretty like flowers and like fruits and stuff like that, some ice cream. So it doesn't have to be travel, but I like that it is, you know, travel themed. And then you have extra ones you can do with anything. How cool is that? I love scrapbooking even, so I always collect stickers. You never know when you want to make a scrapbook or what that page is going to be about. So I just love, I love any kind of stickers. I collect them. There's that page that has like words and letters. And even like, so fun. Hello, remember this. Smile, wanderlust, places to go. Loving you is easy. Together, explore, beautiful. So even the words on here is not all travel themed. They're, you know, you can use them for anything. Ooh, and look at that page. All just pretty flowers. Definitely really like springtimey. There's that can be used for anything. That's not travel themed really. So yeah, so again, I do like it if you are not a traveler and you're not trying to, you know, do a travel theme. Look at the butterflies. You can just utilize all the other ones that are in here that are not travel themed. So I think that's neat. Look at how cute. So on the back, it does go over each individual page and what is all included. But this here is round trip sticker book of 446. Yeah, 446 different stickers are all in this kit. And this is valued for $8.99. Now we have, it says Postcard Book, 16 postcards, floral travel postcard book of 16 by Maggie Holmes, valued for $10.99. On the back, it does give you a glimpse of what every single postcard is. I do actually really like the fact that these are postcards. I always say like writing things down or just like handwriting a letter or a postcard is kind of a lost art these days. And it's just the simple things. To me, it's always the simple things. If you just jot down something, talking about your weather, hi, how you doing, and mail it to somebody, it's like I said, when they open their mailbox and they have something that was handwritten from you, it just means a lot. So I'm glad that there are postcards in here. Let's keep this handwritten thing alive, you guys. It's just the simple things, I'm telling you. It is the simple things. So when you open it up, it does have a perforation so you can just peel off which postcard you want. And then on the back side, it has where you can address it. But look at how really pretty. See, again, they're not all travel themed, but it does all go with the travel theme. So cute. So you can go through, you can mail some of these to somebody, anybody, friends, family, whichever, or keep them and use them as scrapbooking or journaling or anything like that. But look at how pretty. Just, I mean, aren't those really pretty? Do they repeat themselves? Because I could have sworn I just saw that one earlier. And I think I saw that one earlier too. So they must repeat themselves. Yeah, so there's 8 different designs times 2 would be the 16. There we go. So there's that. All right, so now we have same brand again. This is Road Trip by Maggie Holmes, 17 stamps. There's that. Round Trip Clear Acrylic Stamp Set of 17 by Maggie Holmes. This is valued for $7.99. Easily add fun, cute shapes and designs. Simply peel the stamp from the transparent sheet and apply it to an acrylic block. Apply ink to the stamp, positioning image into desired surface, and press firmly. Okay, so did they give us the block? No. I don't have an acrylic block to put these on. That would have been nice if it was included, so then we would have one, but I can look for one at some point because I think we got something similar to this in this box before. And again, I had nothing to put it on, so I haven't even used those yet. But you can, I guess, get an acrylic block, and then you just peel it off, put it on the block, put it in your stamp pad, and use it as a normal stamp. And there are all of the different images. So there's that. And now we have is same brand, Maggie Holmes, 12 paper clips. How cute. It looks like it's going to be a cone, an airplane, and then like an envelope. Color Pop Travel Paper Clip Set of 12 by Maggie Holmes. So they all come down like this. So you have your airplane, your envelope. That is super cute. And I like how it has a little heart on it. And then the cute little ice cream cone. So that is really neat. I love having these weird, like odd shaped, not just standard paper clips. I just love them. I think they're super cute. And I just like being, you know, different, a little extra, not standard. And again, they're valued at $7.99. And then the last item in here is going to be the journal for this month. It says Adventures, The Travel Life, Wanderlust, all kinds of words all over it. It's the Travel Life Journal, Peter Piper Press, like maybe like Peter Piper, but it's like paper press. Fine gifts since 1928. Wow. This has a suggested retail price of $10.99 on it. It has this little guy right here. It says Travel is Life Journal by Peter Piper Press, valued for $10.99. So when you open it up, it says journal, and then it's just all blank pages inside that you can write your own stuff. And then you can have this to put it over to keep it closed. And again, it has all of those words and everything on it, valued for $10.99. So that is everything for the Journal Junk box. You have your journal, you have postcards, sticker set, paperclip set, you have a stamp set, and then you have like the stationery set, you have a pen, and then a single car coaster. So now that is everything for the Journal Junk box. Let's go ahead and hop into the Journal Junk sack. This is the card that you normally get with it that was in my other box. It just says the Journal Junk sack and goes over their social media. They do not give you pricing for this one or the weekly journal prompts for this one. So the Journal Junk sack, everything comes in this little bubble envelope. So up first we have is a multi-ink ballpoint pen. It's the kind that goes around and you just flip it down. Looks like there's red, orange, green, blue, purple, and black. So there is that pen. This one does have some cute paper clips. They're completely different style. And it has just like that little like circle on the top with an image on it. Those are super, super cute. Then we always get this little card in this box. This one here says, for me, every hour is grace. And I feel gratitude in my heart each time I can meet someone and look at his or her smile. And there's that. Now the stickers that we're gonna get in this box, these are definitely travel themed. They're the 3D stickers. So you have travel, you have, does that say adventure? Yeah, adventure, little suitcases. Those are super cute. These are definitely travel themed, so you would use these if you do travel. I like the other ones, how they had a mixture of both in case it wasn't travel themed. You could still utilize it, but this one is for the Journal Junk sack. I like the 3D stickers actually a little bit better, so that's really cute, and it's different. You do also have the journal prompts for growth in this one as well, which you can use as the bookmarker. And then the journal book for this month, it says Travel Checklist Journal, a portable trip planner and diary. Looks like that. This one has a value of $7.95 on it. When you open it up, It says like day 1, date, weather, destination, how to get there, travel companions, activities, hotels, restaurants, entertainment, best part of your day. There's a packing list or like a checklist for packing. This is definitely just like travel themed. Pre-trip checklist, medical info, contacts, introductions, personal information. And then it goes down to like day 3, fun story from today, what I'll remember most, if I ever return, I need to, what I don't like. Day 5, day 6, you go all the way down to day 9. Let's keep going here. How many days total? Day 13, day 14. So it goes like to day 14. So it looks like it's 2 weeks. So if you're traveling for 2 weeks, you can log the whole entire thing. You have reflections in the back, favorite activities, favorite sites, favorite restaurants or foods, noble shopping, who I met, notes, detours, what to remember for next time. And then here's foreign phrases. English, hello. French, bonjour. Sounds like bonjour. So it tells you some French, some Spanish, and some Italian. So this definitely is just travel based. So if you want to travel or you have a travel plan in the near future, then this one, the journal junk sack would be better. If you're not into traveling and you just wanted to utilize the stuff that was non-travel, then the journal junk box would have been, I would say, your favorite for this month. But you do have both options. There are 2 completely different boxes pretty much, still going around the travel theme. So you have the travel checklist. I'll probably put this one in my future giveaway pile because again, I am not going to be planning anything anytime soon or anything like that. So I'm going to put this back in the plastic and put this in my future giveaway pile, probably with some other stuff in here too, just so you guys can enjoy it. But I do really love the colors, and of course I love that teal. And again, this is valued for $7.95. So the journal junk sack, you have the travel destination 2-week planner. You have the stickers, you have the card, you have this pin, and the paper clips. Okay, you guys, so now that is everything for the March 2023 Journal Junk Sack and Journal Junk Box. Now you can see the 2 different variations from them. Definitely comment down below and let me know which one did you like better. Did you like one versus the other? Some from one, some for the other. What do you think of Journal Junk Box? Let me know what you think below. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 15% off the subscriptions or their online shop. If you don't want to go straight to a subscription, you can check out their online shop to buy individual items for yourself, for gift ideas, anything like that. And my code, I believe, will work for the individual shop items as well. Journals, cute office supplies, and so much more you'll adore. Love to decorate your office space with cute office things and get lost in creating? Want that positive push to finish your goals to be the best version of you? Then you'll love this box. The Journal Junk Sack Mini is $27.99 per month. 6 months will bring it down to $25.99, and a 12-month plan will bring it down to $23.95 per month. The Journal Junk full-size box is $52.99 monthly, $47.99 for 6 months, and $44.95 for 12 months. Shipping is an additional fee to the single boxes. You can do the junk box and sack bundle. That's $71.99 for the journal junk box and the sack, and you save money by getting them. And I believe that one shipping is included. Again, they also have their online shop, and everything will be linked down below. So comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Crew.